What's going on, guys? It's your boy TREA-STYLEZ, you know the vibes. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today's video, guys, it's gonna be like a little bit different. Yeah, I've got a jewelry review. Fam, I can't even say the word, fam. I've got a jewelry.
Child. Anyway, so
yeah, man, the brand that I'm gonna be reviewing today, yeah, is a brand called Cernucci, yeah. I've literally seen this brand all over Instagram, yeah, like all the male influencers, yeah, they've been killing it with the Instagram pics, man. And I've also watched some really good reviews on YouTube of the brand as well, yeah. And from what I've seen, yeah, it looks like really good. So that's why I wanted to film this video for you guys today, yeah. And obviously, like, help you guys as well, like, if you guys were thinking of purchasing from the brand, yeah, then hopefully with this video, yeah, that can help with your decision as well. So yeah, man, with this video, guys, yeah, I'm actually gonna break it down into several different parts for you guys, yeah. It just adds like a little bit of structure to the video, yeah, instead of cramming everything all into one. And it also gives you guys as the viewers a better understanding as well. So yeah, man, that being said, yeah, it's gonna be very detailed and very in-depth, yeah. As always, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the thing down below. You guys know. And yeah, man, let's go. So yeah, guys, so if I take you guys for the website, yeah, the website's got like a really nice like layout and a really nice design. You guys can clearly see like the Cernucci logo right at the top here. And if I go down into like collections, you guys can see like the different subheadings or the subcategories. So you've got like view all, you've got new drops, bracelets, chains, pendants, bundles, etc, yeah. Really like well organized, yeah. Like I feel like that's really dope that they've got like, you know, like different sections for each item. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So for example, if I click on chains, yeah, then you've got like the different, you know, like the different style of chains. So you've got like the diamond prone link, then you've got like the tennis chains, etc. So you've got like a really nice variety of chains, do you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I really do like the overall feel and the overall vibe of the website, yeah. And then here you guys can see like their Instagram pictures, yeah. So you guys can see how people style like different chains and stuff like that on their Instagram, which I feel is like really dope. You guys can check out like customer reviews as well. With me, yeah, when I'm purchasing, yeah, I always make sure that I check out the reviews first, yeah. You know, just so that I can have like a visual idea of what the product would actually look like in real life. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Before I actually make the purchase. So yeah, man, overall I feel like the website's got like a clean layout, really easy to navigate as well, yeah. And it doesn't leave like the customers confused, yeah, which obviously leads to like a great customer experience. Sometimes you go on certain brands' website, yeah, and then you'll be scrolling, yeah, and found like the thing will be like bare confusing. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So yeah, man, with the Cernucci website, yeah, really dope, man. Right, so this is the box that it comes in, yeah. So you've got like a nice sturdy box here, and then you can clearly see like the Cernucci branding right on the front as well. And then it's got like a little C on the side. Really do like the packaging, really do like the design as well. And I really appreciate, yeah, like when a brand goes all out with their packaging, yeah, because I feel like sometimes when you order from like some places, yeah, it's like they don't even put no effort into the packaging. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because they'll send you like the thing, yeah, they'll send you like the item in like one plastic bag. They'll send you like the item is like one plastic bag, yeah. So with this, yeah, I really do like the fact that obviously you've got like a nice sturdy box, and obviously you guys can get like multiple use out of it. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it's not like something that you guys are gonna like open and then you guys are gonna dash it in the bin. Do you know what I mean? So with this one, I'll definitely be keeping this, man. So I really do like that. In the box here, you've got like the Cernucci authenticity card, yeah. So this one, I really do like this. So basically it just says like this card entitles you to a one-time replacement or an item of equal value should you experience any defects or craftsmanship or breakage. I feel like with the authenticity card, yeah, I feel like this is what really like sets Cernucci like apart from other brands. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because I feel like I've never actually heard of like a brand who actually offers this type of service. And I feel like with this type of service, yeah, they'll definitely have like a constant repeat in customers. The fact that they offer like a lifetime guarantee basically, do you know what I mean? Because I feel like not a lot of places do that, man. So I really do commend Cernucci for that, yeah. So obviously Cernucci, big up you guys, innit? You guys are getting points, do you know what I mean? So the next thing that comes in the box here is this Cernucci protective pouch. So you've got like a nice leather bag here. Really do like the Cernucci branding right on the front. This pouch would be like really good. Like say for example, if you guys are going on holiday, yeah, then this pouch would be like really good to like store like your items in. Because I don't know about you guys here, but every time that I'm traveling here, like family, like I always bring my jewelry here in this one plastic bag.
the ghetto.
So now that I've got like, you know, like my good Cernucci packaging here, like fam, we ain't doing this no more. We ain't doing this no more, do you know what I mean? We've leveled up now, do you know what I mean? Yeah, man, with Cernucci, yeah, like I really like the fact that they come with like a specialized storage bag, yeah. And also as well like the leather material, yeah, obviously just adds like a little bit of bouginess to the thing. Alright guys, so the first thing that I picked up here is the 14mm Pro Link chain and bracelet bundle, yeah. So this one I got it in a silver, yeah. I've got the bracelet to match and I've also got the chain as well, yeah. But if we just start with the chain first, yeah. So the chain, yeah, you guys can get them in 3 different sizes. So you've got 18 inch, you've got 20 inch, and you've also got 22 inch as well. And family, like when I seen like the chain sizes on the website, yeah, I was like bare confusing it, because obviously like most of the jewelry that I own, they're mainly from like fast fashion brands like ASOS, Boohoo. So I ain't never had to worry about like chain sizes, do you know what I mean? But what I like about Cernucci, yeah, I like that on the website, yeah, they've got like a chain chart to obviously like help customers like me who's just like completely clueless. Do you know what I mean? Like in terms of like what chain size to get, yeah. So Cernucci, yeah, again, I really do like commend them for that. So this one I actually did pick it up in an 18 inch, yeah. So it is like the smallest size, yeah. I really do like the look and the feel of it, yeah. It just looks like mad expensive, do you get what I'm trying to say? Like it just looks like mad like icy. Bare iced out, yeah, really dope. It does have like a little bit of a weight to it, yeah, but I feel like that just shows how good like the quality is. So the clasp is like really secure, yeah, and I really do like the fact that they've got like the Cernucci branding embedded on the clasp. They put like a lot of thought into like every little detail, yeah. I feel like that really like, you know, like matters as a customer as well, do you know what I mean? Because like when you're seeing like the thing, yeah, you're thinking, right, like they've actually put like a lot of time into this. So I actually really do like appreciate that. And it also shows as well that they've got budget as well, do you know what I mean? Because I'm assuming that this is expensive to do. So big up them, man. I don't know if you guys ever heard about like rappers getting their chain snatched, yeah. Like fam, with Cernucci, yeah. With Cernucci, guarantee. This ain't happening with Cernucci, things secure. Like anyone try to grab this off your neck, yeah. Best believe that your neck is going with them. Do you know what I mean? Like your neck is going off. Your neck is getting take off. You understand? Like, listen, like, this ain't going nowhere, man. Like, you always see, like, those rappers like Lil Baby, Gunna, Burna Boy, all these, like, celebs, yeah, in these, like, ice out chains, yeah. Fam, I feel like a celeb now. My price gone up. It just kind of give me, like, rich vibes. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Give me, like, rich boy vibes. You understand? Like, I feel like one rapper now. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, I feel like one rapper now, yeah. The only thing, yeah, I need, like, 2 bad bees next to me. Do you get what? No, I just... Only thing that I probably would say, yeah, is that sometimes like the links, yeah, they tend to get like tangled up like quite a lot, yeah. And like fam, like shit would be like bare hard to like unravel. So yeah, man, that will literally be like the only con for me. But otherwise from that, yeah, definitely don't take away like the quality of the product. And so what I'm gonna do now, yeah, I'm gonna do the flashlight test, yeah. So obviously you guys can see how much like these stones, yeah. I want you guys to see how much they're hitting the light, man. Look at that. Look at how these stones are hitting, fam. Like, look at that, look at that. Hey, yo, you know who I feel like right now, yeah? I feel like Coffee right now, yeah? You know when she said, I'm in a move, but my diamonds dancing. Like, literally, like, look at that. Like, look at that. Look at how the thing's like glistening. So the next thing that I got, yeah, is a silver bracelet to match, yeah? As I said, yeah, both the chain and the bracelet, it was like a part of a bundle. You had 3 different options to choose from, yeah? So you can either get like a 7 inch, an 8 inch, or like a 9 inch, yeah? And I got like an 8 inch. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like a little bit big for my arm. Again, like the chain, yeah, it does have like a really nice shine to it, yeah? Really does like look like expensive. Like, well, it is expensive, but do you know what I mean? Like, this look like something like all these like rappers wear. And like with me, yeah, I'm the type of person, yeah, like I literally love everything to match. Do you understand? Like, if I've got the chain, yeah, fam, I need the bracelet to match. Like Steph London said, yeah, fresh ever clean, everything off the match. You understand? Just another thing to mention as well, yeah, what I really do like about Cernucci, I like the fact that every time that you make like a purchase, yeah, you get like points. So with this purchase, yeah, I think I got like 352 points, and then that gives me like 30% off my next order, yeah. But in order to redeem that 30%, you have to spend £200 or above. And like with a service like this, I definitely feel like it will give them like a constant repeat in customers as well. I feel like it's like really dope for the customers, yeah. But on the other hand, yeah, like fam, like imagine every time that you purchase, yeah, they're enticing you, yeah, to get like 30% off your next order, yeah, by giving you guys these points. But if you follow them, yeah, like fam, you go broke. Do you know what I mean? You go broke, because obviously if they give you like 30% off every time, yeah, then obviously you're just gonna want to order and order and order and order and order. And listen, I've got a rent to pay. Do you know what I mean? So in terms of pricing, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. So in total, yeah, for both the bundles that I got, yeah, the silver and the gold, yeah, I paid £352.55 for both of them, yeah. And like fam, when I tell you guys, yeah, like right now, yeah, my bank account is in A&E. My bank account is in A&E. So tomorrow, yeah, if you guys see me on the streets, yeah, because I can't afford my rent, yeah, then obviously you guys don't why in it, do you know what I mean? Imagine, yeah, it was actually going to be even more than that, yeah, but luckily for me, yeah, I actually copped everything in the Black Friday sale, yeah, because I've been printing them for time, yeah, but like literally when I went on the website, yeah, and I checked out the prices from before, yeah, I was like, nah, I can't afford this right now, yeah. So literally, like, when that Black Friday sale hit, yeah, like listen, I was first in line. Because like listen, like this was gonna be like a once in a lifetime production. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, and if you guys know me, yeah, you guys know that I love like a good sale. Do you get what I'm trying to say? It's not every day like splash. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes you guys have to like buy the things on sale. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, with this, yeah, I ran. You understand? Like, have you guys ever seen Usain? The way that I was running to that checkout, yeah, like listen, like not even Usain could have catch me. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, man, in all seriousness though, it is very much like on the pricier side, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it is quite pricey still, like I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like my bank account, yeah, it's still recovering, man. It's still recovering. To this day!
To this day! To this day!
But I feel like it's definitely like a good investment piece as well. Do you know what I mean? So like I didn't spend all this money yet for the thing to turn like yellow tomorrow. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, so it's definitely something that is gonna like last me for like a very like, you know, like long period of time. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, so the question that you guys all been waiting for, yeah, is it worth it? Drum roll. 1,000,000%, man. Yeah, man, like 1,000,000%. Yeah, I definitely say like it's worth it, man. I wouldn't lie to you guys, man. You guys saw the results. Do you know what I mean? Do you want me to pull up the receipts? Do you want me to pull up the receipts? Do you know what I mean? But now, man, I definitely feel like it is like definitely like worth every bit of penny, man. Very like high quality, and you guys can tell that as well. Do you get what I'm trying to say? And I feel like it just have that like luxury high-end feel to it as well. Do you know what I mean? And I feel like it's also like my way of stunting as well. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because I ain't no celeb. But yeah, man, I definitely feel like I'll definitely be shopping from Cernucci like again, yeah. They also do like custom pieces as well, yeah. Like I was maybe thinking to get like a TREA-STYLEZ iced out pendant. I feel like that would be so freaking sick, man. Do you know what I mean? Have my name like on my chest, you understand? Like then I'll be feeling like a rapper, you understand? And also as well, I feel like if they did like watches as well, yeah, like fam, like imagine if they did like watches, yeah, like some iced out watches, like listen, like that would be so dope. Do you know what I mean? Hey yo, Cernucci, yeah. Hey yo, Cernucci, if you guys are watching this, yeah, I'm gonna need you guys to cut me a check. Because I'm giving you guys ideas, you get me? Yeah, that's that. Like, I'm giving you guys ideas, man. Do you know what I mean? So, like, hit me up. Do you know what I mean? Like, we can talk business. Yeah, that's that. Overall, yeah, like, guys, like, I'm telling you guys, like, this quality, yeah, it's top notch, man. Like, top notch. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I really do hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that if you guys were thinking of purchasing from the brand Cernucci, yeah, hopefully with this video, yeah, I hope that I was able to impact your decision in a positive way. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below which item was your favorite, and also give me your overall thoughts of the video. And also all of Cernucci's details will be linked in the description box down below as well, just in case if you guys did want to check them out, then obviously I already made that easier for you guys. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. You guys know the vibe. And yeah, man, I'll see you in my next video. My God.